morning. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Lindy's Get Ready With Me show. Okay. Come on in, y'all. Let's get ready for a day party. It's my friend's birthday, and she got all of us outside in the city to go to this day party. So we're going to a day party, y'all. I've clearly already curled my hair because I don't know, I just wanted to get straight into it, okay? But I had to pick up the camera because this is what we do. We get ready together. So we're gonna get ready more with the makeup. But my next steps after curling my hair is I need to put these nails on. I want to do lashes now before I put the makeup on my face. So I'm about to get that done. Jesus. I'm about to get that done, and then I'm gonna come back and we're going to get fully into the makeup, and then we'll finish off my hair because I still have to do like my edges, curl, brush, all that stuff, and then what I'm gonna wear because I have some options, but I don't know. So let's get into it and have a good get ready time, y'all. Let's go. Alexa. She not on. I'm letting my good sister warm up. Let's do these nails and then let's get into it. And the pedicure is pedicuring, so it's time to do this face. My face has been very dry lately, so I need to try to combat that because I don't need to be outside and my face cracking. So let's do that. Baby, try to find a place for me, 'cause I want to put something else moisturizing on my chin, but I don't know what. Primer number 2 in that area. What you need when I need it. When I need it. You need my love. That's what you need. Make me feel like the only one you need. I just need some more to be touched on, rubbed on, feel every moment. Is it asking for too much? This is all in the name of underpainting, okay?
I used to talk way too much. You used to know everything. You couldn't stand me, and I couldn't stand you. Too hard for me to worry about fruities and juice till I find out all of the shorties with cooties was cute.
And realize what booties could do.
We gon' get it poppin', we gon' get it jukin', we gon' throw a party and we ain't got right. This is something I need you right.
And we're blended.
Treated you, treated you, treated you.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I
Stick a jack in with you.
I know that I need my friend. How long can you go? What in my space? But I need it, baby. I'm late, but I need it. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again. On some nights I get
Shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, mixing up. If I call, would you pick it up, huh? I just want to text you, but for what? Literally.
Talking in five boys smoke, you can't clear it up. Talking to 12 on the time, you go burn it up. Run around in the talk, you a big, but you bought it, so they disregard you.
Niggas ain't seen me.
Let's go.
Siblings, nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. I'm in the shit. So when I made it out, I made about 50K from a show. Trying to show niggas the ropes before they home for a road. I'm prophetic. They only talk.
I've been spoken since I left New York, but I guess you left me with no trust value.
aren't the nigga that I thought you were. I let myself down.
I tell myself how you shine. No, you never love me, and so that you leave me on.
Baby, I'm probably gonna take the Apple Watch off. I thought it was gonna be cute and distracted, but it's not. Okay, rings. I'm trying to figure out. I've lost a lot of rings. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do on a ring. This is all I'm gonna do on a jewelry, period. I think I'm gonna go this purse. And then my shoes might be these little kittens. Only thing with these shoes is they're very low. Like, I get that they're a kitten heel, but damn. Okay, y'all. This is the final look. The dress is denim. I think it's from Mika's. I kind of don't remember, but I think it's from Mika's. I got it last year. Same wig. I just kind of cut it a little bit, and I think it's cute. Still getting into my little bit of flip over situation, hidden part. This is the vibe for the day. I'm sure I'll be hot, and I'm sure this hair finna get flat soon, but this is the look. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, holla at your girl down in the DMs, the comment section, and let me know. Do y'all like to get ready with me? So I'm gonna keep doing that. Okay?